Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing alteration. I got this dress from Target. It's a 1X, but I wear a medium or small or medium, so I want to turn this into my size. As you can see, it's really big, but it got pockets, so I just want this to be around the waist and it will be fitting perfectly. So I'm going to just alter the top.
This is what I'm trying to copy, but I'm going to make a little bit of changes, and I have no pattern, so I'm going to create my own.
At the back, it's really big and it's long because the top is going to be off shoulder, so I'm going to measure from here to around my waist. I'm going to measure my waist, I'm going to measure my bust and my upper bust, then we shall go from there. So as you can see, the actual price for the dress and how much I bought it because it was on sale. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and
I'm ripping the top from the bottom, and then I think I'll start with to work with the bottom part. We shall see.
so I'm going to start off with the bottom. I'm going to put elastic in the back, and then I'm going to gather the front so it has a lining too. I'm going to create an elastic casing for the back, then I'll insert the elastic, which is going to be half of my waist. You see, this is how wide it is. So I started with the back, and I'll be tying it inside out. I want to show you a little bit of what I did. So I went ahead and I attached the lining with the top piece, and then when you turn it this way, this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to go ahead and create an elastic casing, and the elastic is going to be in between the top part and the lining, and then this is the front and the front holder, and this is the lining front. I'm also going to go ahead and attach it together because it's not yet attached. I'm going to attach both of them together and then gather.
Here I'm just using the elastic as a guideline to help me create the casing, so you don't really have to do that. You can measure it.
I finished inserting the elastic, and I did sew the edges in here. So this is I sewn them to the front. So I'm going to go ahead and gather the front, then I'm going to show this to you how it looks like so far. So this is the gathered front, and this is the back with the elastic. So I'm about to start on the top part,
With
and
the
I
top,
see
I
it's
just took
gonna look.
measurements and marked them on here, just as you see.
So I got the front, and I've already put these. These are going to be adjustable straps. Now the back, I have 3 pieces. This on one side, where's the this on the other side, and this will be in the center. I'm going to make it stretch. I'm going to use a elastic thread to sew it down. I'm trying to get the center a little bit to this size, so I'm going to cut it just like this.
I'm using elastic thread to gather the center back.
This is the front. I'm really worried about how it's gonna look, so but we shall see. Then this is going to be the back. So I made this, I sewn this with elastic thread. The first line I messed up, I used black thread. Then I realized it wasn't coming out so good on top, so I had to change it to my white thread, elastic thread. So this is the back, and I'm going to go ahead and put them together. Then these will be adjustable straps, and that's how it's going to look. Hope it's going to be good, because I really just cut it out. I just used my measurements and I just cut it out, and I haven't tried it on to see how it really looks like. So fingers crossed, hope it looks good. Hope it turns out great. So I'm going to go ahead and put them together here. Then I'm going to attach the front. I'm going to put together here. Then I'll attach the front to the bottom front. Then I'll show you how it looks like. First, I'm going to first put it together. Then I make the adjustable straps.
I'm making the adjustable straps. I had to rip out the front straps because I had sewn them on so quick. If you want a much slower video on how to do this, I have a video already out there. I'll link it in the description.
Here's the top. It's kind of a little bit smaller for that. So here's it. Here, that's the bottom. I'm going to put it together. This is how the back looks like. I got some adjustable straps. I need to fix them. I'm going to fix them. And then I got this elastic part. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the skirt and see how it's gonna look.
Unfortunately, my phone died. I wanted to show you how I was going to attach the front piece together, the top and the bottom, but my phone died. So here I'm showing you what I did. So I inserted my bodice part, I inserted it in between the lining, the front lining and the outer piece. So I inserted it, I put it in between because I didn't want the, like to be seeing the seams on this side when I put on my dress. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, but so far this is it. This is the dress, and I'm going to go ahead and redo the top because it came out crooked. I think I didn't line it up so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me show you how to look. Remember, sewing shouldn't always be expensive. This is how my dress turned out.